Hello friends, welcome back. This time we will make the outer door from light steel. The door model I made is very suitable for open room door. Or it could also be used for the back gate of the house. For this video, I will use the door as a warehouse door. As friends see, this room was previously used for the kitchen room. Because the kitchen room will move, then this room will be used as a warehouse room. Before we make the door, first we prepare the place for installing the door. We will change the connection of this room by adding more brick walls to resemble a door hole in general. For the slanting side, we will straighten it out soon. This is quite slanted, friends, but no problem. The important thing is that the quality of the walls is good and hard. This process is quite time consuming and must be done neatly. Okay, just a little more. I have to be careful and patient in doing it. Okay, this side is done. We will scrape the other side from top to bottom. I throw away the thick plaster that is stuck. The aim is so that the brick installation can be taken from the main wall. Brick installation must be able to stick firmly. Therefore, I will knock more on the wall. After this, I will put nails around it. Oh yes, apart from the nails, we can use steel screw instead. This steel screw is quite hard, and I'm sure the brick installation will definitely be strong. Okay, the wall is ready. This is the condition. I just plugged it in one time. We'll beat it up after finishing making the door. Continue to light steel framework. Here, I will make the frame part first. I will make the left and right only. For the top, I will not make crossbar. And now left and right, only to save cost. If friends want to install one set, please do it. All you have to do is cut the left, right, and top seals. like the shape of a frame in general. Okay, the frame pieces are ready. We prepare 6 small pieces. This function is for Dynaball. Make holes in the 6 small pieces. This hole is where the Dynaball. So that the drill does not go wrong, it is best to tap the surface first with concrete nails. Continue to frame installation. First, mark the lines for installing the Dynaball. Make parallel lines from the top, middle, and bottom of the frame. Remember, line marks must be straight and precise. Do not be wrong. For how you guys start installing from top and bottom. In the middle, just follow it.